Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to generate images with Google AI Studio in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to eStudio, Google.com ***. Sign in with your Google account, then wait for the Google AI Studio dashboard to load. From the dashboard, start a new prompt and select an image generation model if one is available in your Google AI Studio account. Google regularly updates the available AI models, so the options you see may vary depending on your account and region. Next, write a detailed prompt describing the image you want to create. For example, you could type, "A futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, cinematic lighting, ultra-realistic 4K quality." The more specific your prompt is, the better the generated image is likely to be. You can also include details about the art style, colors, camera angle, lighting, background, and aspect ratio. These details help the AI better understand exactly what you're looking for. Once your prompt is ready, click the *generate ** button. The AI will take a few moments to create one or more images based on your description. When the images appear, review the results carefully. If you're not satisfied, simply edit your prompt by adding more details or changing the wording, then generate the images again. Small changes to your prompt can often produce significantly different results. After you find an image you like, you can download it or continue refining your prompt to create even better versions. Experimenting with different prompts is one of the best ways to improve your AI-generated images. And that's it. That's how you generate images with Google AI Studio in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.